Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money while others can't even hold on to it? It's not luck, it's not IQ, it's habits. Because habits build your mindset, and your mindset builds your wealth. In this video, I'll share 20 habits that will make you rich. Not overnight, not magically, but steadily, inevitably. So grab a notebook because these 20 habits are the real difference between wishing for success and becoming the kind of person who creates it. Let's begin. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. This is the oldest, most powerful wealth habit in history. Before you pay bills, before you order that coffee, pay yourself first. It means save or invest at least 10% of your income the moment you get it. Treat it like a bill you owe your future self. Even if it's small, 500 rupees, $10, doesn't matter. The habit trains your brain to prioritize growth, not consumption. Habit 2. Track every rupee dollar. You can't manage what you don't measure. Wealthy people know where every rupee goes. Broke people just wonder where it went. Use apps like Money Manager, Notion, or even Excel. Track your expenses daily. The first week feels painful. By the third week, you'll feel powerful because awareness equals control. Habit 3. Live below your means. The fastest way to go broke is to try looking rich. Rich people drive normal cars, wear simple clothes, and invest in assets that grow quietly. Poor people buy things to look rich, new phones, brands, gadgets. Ask yourself before every purchase, will this make me money or will it make me look rich for 5 minutes? Habit 4. Build multiple income streams. No millionaire has one source of income. Start with your job, then add one small side stream. It could be freelancing, content creation, digital products, investments, affiliate marketing, doesn't matter. The goal isn't to quit your job overnight, it's to create freedom options, because one income is too close to none. Habit 5. Learn daily, even 30 minutes. Every rich person is a student first. Warren Buffett reads 5 hours a day. Elon Musk learned rocket science from books. Read, watch, listen. Every day, 30 minutes. Topics: money, business, psychology, communication, because wealth isn't created from hard work, it's created from smart learning. Habit 6. Network with growth-minded people. Your income is the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. It's true. If your circle talks only about Netflix, weekend parties, and gossip, guess what you'll become? Find people who talk about business, ideas, health, goals. If you can't find them in person, find them online. Join communities, masterminds, or even Discord groups focused on growth. You'll notice your ambition rising automatically. Habit 7. Build skills, not just degrees. The world doesn't pay you for your degree, it pays you for your value. Value comes from skills: communication, coding, sales, design, writing, marketing. Pick one skill, master it, make it rare and useful. Degrees fade, but skills compound forever. Habit 8. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Every time your income increases, your expenses try to chase it. Don't let them. When you get a raise, instead of upgrading your phone, upgrade your investments. Buy assets before liabilities. Remember, rich people don't spend more when they earn more, they invest more. Habit 9. Exercise and eat clean. Sounds strange, right? What does fitness have to do with money? Everything. Your brain is a high-performance engine. Junk food and no sleep ruin your decision-making. Exercise sharpens focus, builds discipline, and boosts confidence, all ingredients for wealth creation. A weak body can't support a strong dream. Habit 10. Set clear financial goals. You can't hit a target you can't see. Set clear goals like, I'll save 5 lakh rupees this year, or I'll invest $200 a month. Write it down. Look at it weekly. When your goals are visible, your mind finds ways to reach them. Habit 11. Invest early and consistently. Time is the strongest multiplier of money. If you invest 5,000 rupees a month from age 22, you'll likely end up richer than someone who starts with 20,000 at 30, because of compounding. Don't wait to earn more before investing. Start now. Even small, consistent investments create big results over time. Habit 12. Avoid bad debt. Debt is a double-edged sword. Use it for assets, not pleasures. Credit card bills, EMIs for gadgets, luxury purchases, all of them chain your future to your past decisions. Rich people use debt for growth, business, real estate, leverage. Poor people use it for comfort. Choose growth. Habit 13. Learn to say no. Every yes to others is a no to your goals. You don't have to attend every party, buy every trending thing, or follow every influencer. Discipline means protecting your focus from distractions disguised as opportunities. Say no, often, politely, firmly. Your time is your most expensive currency. Habit 14, take calculated risks. Every rich person took a few smart risks. They weren't reckless, they were strategic. Start small, invest in yourself, launch a side project, start a YouTube channel, build an audience. Failure will teach you faster than any degree. Comfort zones don't make money, courage does. Habit 15, automate your money. Set up auto debits for savings, investments, and EMIs. Automation removes emotion, and emotion ruins money. When you automate, you make discipline effortless. You won't forget to save because it's already done. Wealth builds quietly when systems replace motivation. Habit 16, track net worth, not salary. Salary is temporary, net worth is real. Track your total assets minus total liabilities every 3 months. See the trend. If it's rising, you're on the right path. If not, change something. Rich people measure progress differently. They care less about income, more about ownership. Habit 17, value time over money. Money lost can be earned back. Time lost is gone forever. Delegate what you can, automate what you can. Don't trade your hours for pennies when you can build something scalable. The richest people buy time, the poorest sell it. Habit 18, build an emergency fund. Emergencies destroy wealth faster than bad investments. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate account. It's not to use, it's to protect your peace. Financial freedom starts with financial safety. Habit 19, give generously. This might surprise you, but giving makes you richer because it shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. When you help others, opportunities find their way back. It's not magic, it's energy. People who give grow. Habit 20, think long term. Wealth doesn't grow overnight, it compounds slowly, then suddenly. Play the long game. Ignore quick money traps, crypto hypes, get-rich-quick schemes, random investments. Instead, master patience, because the richest people aren't the fastest, they're the most consistent. So, which of these 20 habits will you start today? Remember, you don't have to master all at once. Start with one, then another, because every rich person you admire today once started with a single habit and a decision to change. If you found this video valuable, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe because the next video might just change how you think about money forever.